Good afternoon, children. We will learn about the remaining part of the lesson, sociology. Remaining part of the lesson, sociology, we have to learn. What is the speciality of sociology? Now we have learned the importance of sociology. Importance. About the importance of sociology, we have to learn. What are the importance? Importance of the study of sociology. Importance. What are the importance of the study of sociology that we have to learn? What are the importance? Then, to study about the society. To study about the society, knowledge of sociology is very important. To study about the society, knowledge of sociology is very important. To know about the society or to study about the society, knowledge of sociology is very important. What is the meaning of this one? That we have to think. What is the meaning of this one? Means society is a group of people that I have told you several times. Sociology is a group of people. What I told last day, sociology is a group of people having a common interest of their own. That is sociology. Sociology is a collection of people, or sociology is a group of people having a common interest of their own. That is known as sociology. They have a common idea or interest of their own. That is the meaning of the word sociology. Sociology is a group of people having common objective of their own. Then society is a group of people having a common idea of their own. In a society, what is that? In a society, people are having a common idea of their own in a society. So what is that? To know about the society or to study about the society, what we want? We want knowledge of sociology or scientific study. In order to have a scientific knowledge or to develop a scientific knowledge of society, what we want? We have to study about sociology. So, if we want, what is that? If we want a scientific knowledge, if we want a clear or scientific knowledge of the society, what we want? We should have a clear knowledge of sociology. We should have a clear knowledge of sociology. That is the real speciality. That is the reality of, that is the real speciality of sociology. So, we are living in a society. We are living in a society. If we want a clear knowledge of society, what we want? If we want a clear knowledge of society, we should have a knowledge of sociology. If you want a scientific knowledge of society, if you want a scientific knowledge of society, what is that? If you want a scientific knowledge of society, what we want? We should have a clear knowledge of sociology. Without a clear knowledge of society or without a clear knowledge of sociology, we cannot study about sociology. There is another case. Scientific study of sociology is a must if you want to know about society. To know the origin of society. If we want to know about the origin of society, what we want? If you want to know about the origin of society, we should have a knowledge of sociology. Without a clear knowledge of sociology, we can't say or we cannot say how the society originated and development of society. What is to know about the development of society? What we want? To know about the development of society also, we want the knowledge of sociology. That is the reality. Once more I will tell what is what are the importance of the study of sociology? Why we should study sociology, or what are the importance of the study of sociology that we are learning? Why we should study sociology, or what are the importance of sociology that we are learning? Importance. What are the importance of sociology? Importance. What are the importance? First one, to know about the society. What is that? To know about the society. To know about the society, what we want? To know about the society, we should have a clear knowledge of sociology. To know about the society, we must have a clear knowledge of sociology. What is the meaning of society? I told you. Society is a group of people, or society is a collection of people. Society is a group of people, or society is a collection of people having a common idea of their own. That is known as society. To study about the society, what we should do? To study about the society, or to have a clear knowledge of society, or to have a scientific knowledge of society, we want knowledge of sociology. If we want a scientific knowledge of society, we should have a scientific knowledge of sociology. So, without having a scientific knowledge of sociology, we cannot study the society scientifically. Just one. Origin of sociology, origin of society. Origin of society. Origin of society. In order to know how the society originated, but in order to know how the society originated, what we should learn, we should have a clear idea of sociology. In order to know how the society originated, in order to know how the society originated, we should have a clear knowledge of sociology. Without a clear knowledge of sociology, we cannot say how the society originated. So, to have, what is that? To have a clear knowledge, what is that? To have a clear knowledge of the origin of society, we should have the knowledge of sociology. Again, if we want to know, the development of sociology, if we want to know the development of sociology, what we have to do? If you want to know the development of sociology, we should have a clear knowledge of society. Or if we want to know how the society developed, what is that? If we want to know how the society developed, we should have a clear knowledge of sociology. This is the first importance of the study of sociology. This is the major importance, or this is the first importance of the study of sociology. Personality development. Personality development of the people. Personality development of the people will take place only inside the society, or it is only inside the society that personality development will take place. Only inside the society that personality development will take place. Outside the society, personality development is not possible. What is the meaning? Behavior of the people. Behavior of the people is made or is created inside the society. Behavior, correct or clear behavior of the people are created inside the society only. Correct or clear behavior. That means social interactions or relationship. Social relationship is possible only inside the society, because people are social beings. People are social beings. People are social beings. Social beings. People are social beings. Then what is the meaning of this one? People cannot live an isolated life. An isolated life is not possible for the people. People are leading a social life. An isolated life is not possible, or people are leading a social life. That means people are social beings. All the people are social beings. That means an isolated life is not possible inside the society. An isolated life. So, without society, no one can lead a happy life. Without society, no one or nobody can lead a happy life. So what is the importance of second importance of sociology? What is the second importance of sociology that we are learning? Second importance. What is that one? Personality development of the people. Personality development of the people are not possible without the knowledge of sociology. Then what is meaning? Personality development of the people. Personality development of the people are taking place inside the society. Personal development. Personality development of the people are taking place inside the society only. That means outside the society, what is that? Outside the society, personality development is not at all taking place. Outside. So, it is inside the society that personal development is taking place. So, for the personality development of the people, what is that? For the personality development of the people, what is important? For the personality development of the people, knowledge of sociology is very important. For the personality development of the people, knowledge of society is very important. And behavior of the people. Behavior of the people. What is that? Behavior of the people are taking place. Where behavior of the people are taking place inside the society, and people are having different social relations. People have different social relations. Inside the society, there are so many social relations. Inside the society, so many types of or so many categories of social relations are there. Without the knowledge of sociology, what is that? Without the knowledge of sociology, social relations cannot be maintained. Without the knowledge of sociology, social relations cannot be maintained. That is another piece. Then, social beings, it is believed that all the people are social beings. All the people are living inside the society. All the people are living inside the society. No one or nobody is living outside the society. All the people are living inside the society. There is one speciality. All the people are living outside the society. All the people are living outside the society. All are living outside the society. Then what is the meaning? No one can develop their personality. No one or nobody can develop their personality outside the society. Everybody can develop their personality inside the society only. Why? Because man is a social being. An isolated life An isolated life is not possible for a human being. An isolated life is not possible for a human being. All the people are leading a social life. All the people are leading a social life because human beings are social beings. All the people are living inside the society. All the people are living inside the society. All are living inside the society. So, to have personality development or for the development of the personality, what we want? For the development of the personality we want. Which one we want? For the development of the personality we want knowledge of sociology. Without a clear or without a correct knowledge of sociology, what is not possible? Personality development is not at all possible. So, for the correct or clear development of the personality, we should have a clear knowledge of sociology. Without a clear knowledge of sociology, what is not possible? Without a clear knowledge of sociology, personality development of the people are not at all possible. So, we should have a clear knowledge of sociology. Then what is that? Then only personality development of the people are possible. See, to understand social process, now we are living in a modern period. Now we are living in a computerized period. Now we are living in a computerized period. Or we are living in a modern period. Then what is but modern period did not develop suddenly. Modern period did not develop suddenly. Modern period. How modern period developed? As a result of so many processes. What happened? We reached in the modern period as a result of or as a consequence of so many processes, we reached in the modern period. So many processes are there. As a result of so many processes, we reached in the modern period. So many social processes. Those social processes mean some are good. Some social processes are good. And some social processes are bad. We have seen or we have witnessed both bad and good social process. We have seen or we have witnessed both bad and good social process. So, as a result of different types of good and bad social process, we reached at the present stage. We reached at the present stage. So, in order to know about good and bad social process, we should have a clear knowledge of sociology. We should have a clear knowledge of sociology. That is another most important importance of sociology. Then, so many obstacles were there. So many obstacles or so many problems were there. Which one? So many problems were there before the social process. Before the social process, there were so many problems. By overcoming those obstacles, we reached at the present stage. By overcoming all the social process, we reached at the present stage. To know about those obstacles or to know about those problems, we should have a clear or correct knowledge of which one we should have or we must have a clear or correct knowledge of sociology. That is another piece. We should have or we must have a correct or clear knowledge of sociology. So what is the third importance of sociology? Social process. Now what is now we are living in a period of computer revolution or computer explosion. Our period is that of computer explosion. We are living in a period of computer explosion. Then what is this is known as modern period. Our age or our period is known as modern period. But once modern period did not develop, after so many social processes, we reached in the modern period. Those social processes are some are good. Some of the social processes are good. Some of the social processes are bad. There are good and bad social processes. Some social processes are good and some social processes are bad. We had good and bad social processes. We had. And during the time of social process, what is we had so many obstacles, so many problems were there. So many problems were there. Which one? Before the social process. So, to know the social process and problems, we should have or we must have a clear knowledge of which one? We should have or we must have a clear knowledge of sociology. Without a clear knowledge of sociology, we cannot understand which one? How the society developed or in order to know the social process, we should have a clear knowledge of sociology. See, development programs. Rulers are making so many developments. Rulers, those who are ruling our country, are making so many development programs. In order to know about the development programs, what we should do? In order to know about the development programs, we should have a clear knowledge of sociology. So, this is the another importance of the study of sociology. This is the another most important specialty of study of sociology. To know development programs, rulers or ministers are doing so many development programs. To know about the development programs, what we want, we should have a clear knowledge of sociology.